Humanoid robots aren't coming in 10 years. They're coming faster than most people are psychologically ready for. Right now, robotics companies are training machines on real world tasks, lifting, sorting, assembling, navigating human spaces. Not in labs, in warehouses, in factories, in public environments. The tension. Most people still think robots are slow, clunky demos on YouTube, but the real breakthroughs aren't viral, they're infrastructure upgrades. When robots become cheaper than human labor for repetitive physical work, it won't feel dramatic, it'll feel gradual, then sudden. Warehouses first, logistics next, then retail backrooms. The shift won't be emotional, it'll be economic. And once economics flips, adoption explodes. If you want clear breakdowns of the tech that's quietly reshaping society, follow now. And send this to someone who still thinks this is science fiction. This is The Next Phase with David Elliott.